Welcome, everyone. Today, we dive into SAP BI, the tool that turns chaos into clarity. SAP BI empowers businesses by processing complex data and enabling smarter decisions. Think of it as the brain that works behind the scenes in big enterprises. And yes, it plays well with other SAP modules, making life a bit easier. Ready to uncover more about this game changer? Let's jump in. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Now, let's get to the heart of SAP BI and why it's crucial. It's not just a fancy name. It's your gateway to transforming raw data into actionable insights. Imagine having a crystal ball for your business. SAP BI is pretty close to that. It simplifies reporting, backs data-driven decisions, and even aids in long-term planning. If only it could make us coffee too. Here's where SAP BI gets its foundation. The architecture. Think of it as the blueprint of a house, with layers working together in harmony. The ETL process gathers and preps data, the warehouse stores it, and analysis tools dig out insights. All of this comes together on a user-friendly interface. It's a well-oiled machine for anyone looking to conquer data complexity. Let's talk about the unsung heroes, InfoObjects and InfoAreas. Imagine them as Lego blocks. InfoObjects are the individual pieces, and InfoAreas are the kits organizing those pieces. Whether it's a customer or product, each InfoObject adds value. Together, they lay the groundwork for data modeling in SAP BI. Fun fact, like Lego, they're endlessly customizable. All right, folks, let's talk about getting transaction data from ECC. First, we use standard extractors. Think of them as magic vacuums sucking in the right data. Then, we clean it up because no one likes messy data. Next, we send it to SAP BW, where it gets its makeover for deeper analysis. And of course, we need to keep an eye on errors because, well, data has a way of being dramatic sometimes. Let's dive into the star schema. Imagine a bright, shining star, with the fact table at its core and dimensions radiating out. But wait, SAP also has an extended star schema, which adds more layers for better efficiency. Think of it as adding a turbo boost to your reports. Using the right schema is like picking the perfect coffee blend. It makes all the difference in performance, so choose wisely. Process chains are like your daily routine, but for SAP BW, they automate data loads, so you don't have to babysit every step. We set them up, let them do their magic, and keep a watchful eye for any hiccups along the way. If something fails, no panic. We troubleshoot, tweak, and get it running again. Just like fixing your morning coffee machine when it refuses to cooperate. Welcome to Beck's Query Designer, your gateway to turning data into insights. It's a playground where you build queries, apply filters, and use variables to refine results. Think of it as crafting the perfect playlist. Each filter helps set the mood. And if you want extra power, calculated key figures let you customize reports like a pro. Let's get querying. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.